Now, can you imagine with me for just a moment what it would be like to have beautiful gardens like these?
Beautiful amenities like these.
And with neighbors like these, and the best part of all is you have to do none of the maintenance.
If that sounds good to you, stay tuned because we've got all that and more on today's episode.
All right, look, humor me here for a minute. Let's say you had a clean slate. You could build your very own condo building anywhere in the entire city of Barrie. What's the location you're choosing?
It's got to be right here in Toronto, so Scotty. We got the perfect spot here. You're right across the street from the marina, so maybe you've got a boat on the slip. You're walking distance to some fantastic local restaurants and all the amenities you might need, not to mention these gorgeous walking trails and public parks and that tremendous view right across Kempenfelt Bay. I cannot think of a better spot to wake up every morning.
Man, are we thinking the same here? Now, this location's exceptional, and the good news for you is that there's already a condo built in that location. It's known as the Waterview Condominiums. You've likely heard of it. It's one of the most highly sought after in the entire city of Barrie, and boy, do you feel why when you're down here on the waterfront. We've got 9-foot ceilings, large suites with open concept designs, and the best part is they're in the midst of redoing all the common areas as well. You're virtually getting a brand new condo.
That's right, but unlike a brand new condo, this condo is already incredibly well established and well managed. That means all these renovations were pre-budgeted with no increase in fees to the residents. How awesome is that?
Gotta love it. Now let's head upstairs and take a closer look. Welcome inside Suite 708. Now, this is the floor plan I know you've been looking for. We've got over 1,350 square feet here. So if you're that downsizer coming from a home into a condo, you're gonna love this space. For me, it all starts in this spectacular kitchen. You got the oversized raised breakfast bar here. You got beautiful cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and then it flows right into your standalone dining area. Yes, that's right. You can bring that dining room table you've got at home into your condo. You don't see that too often.
What I love most about all that square footage is that it's flanked by windows on all three sides. This view truly has something for everybody. Whether you're looking for the mountain ranges off to the west, you're looking for that city view downtown and those nighttime city lights, or a view directly across that beautiful, sought-after Kempenfelt Bay, this unit is going to have something for you.
And now that you see the tremendous balcony space, I think you'll agree with me that this condo truly does have it all. Whether it's the interior space or the spectacular balcony with the full glass railing, all overlooking our crown jewel, Kempenfelt Bay. You get the downtown city lights at night as well, so it's truly a spectacle whether it's during the day or in the evenings. Now, we are the Knowles Woolsey team. We know condos, and for more information on this listing and others, check out our website.